Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Teaching the Basics. My name is Utyo. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you get notified. So let's get started. In this video, I'll be talking about operating system services and operating system functions. Operating system services. The first one is the user interface. So it is a platform. So what is a user interface? It is a platform through which a user interacts with the computer system. So this is very pretty much straightforward definition of a user interface. An interface has several forms, and some common forms are CLI, that is a command line interface, or CUI, that is a common user interface. Next comes the GUI, that is a graphical user interface, and the BI is batch interface. Then comes the program execution and how the program execution services are provided. That is, to run or execute a program, okay, it must be loaded into a memory. So if I want to execute a program, I need to load that program into a memory. That is a primary memory. Okay, and operating system supports such operation. Okay, and the program is in execution may either execute successfully or may get terminated abnormally. Okay, now the process that you have, the program that you have provided to the memory, it may either succeed in executing with a successful message, it is going to terminate, or with a abnormal termination may also occur. In that case, it indicates error, or what is the root cause of that program to fail. We get some information about them, and the operating system provides them about the why there is a unsuccessful termination of the program. So the next one is IO operations. Now some program execution requires IO devices, that is input output devices. For efficiency and security reasons, users cannot access those devices directly. Okay, so therefore the operating system provides the means to support such program execution. Let us suppose that you need to listen some music, or you may want to watch a movie. Now while watching a movie, you need your monitors access, your sound systems access. All those accesses that you require is taken care of by your operating system. So you just do your job and leave all the rest to your operating system. The operating system is going to take care of all the input output devices that may require in the process or in the program that you are currently executing. File system manipulation. Okay, so operating system services also contains file system manipulation, and operating system supports operations like reading and writing in files and directories, creating and deleting files and directories, and even searching files and directories by their name, and other permission oriented supports like allowing and denying the access based on ownership. When you get whenever you log on to your operating system, you have to authenticate, and with the authentication, on the basis of your authentication, there are some permissions are generated, and with on the basis of that permissions, you are allowed to access some files, make some changes, or you are denied from anything or every operation in the system. Okay. Now the next point is the communication, and inter-process communications is implemented by a shared memory or through message passing, in which packets of information are moved between processes by the operating system. Now let us suppose two different process is working on some similar resource, working on similar resource or sharing a similar resource. So those processes need to communicate with themselves. So operating system, with the help of shared memory or message passing techniques, provides the process to establish a communication between themselves. And the last one is the error detection. So computer systems are subjected to failures due to error caused by different components in the system, and the operating system takes appropriate actions to ensure the correct and consistent computing. Okay, so the operating system takes an appropriate action on the basis of a component may fail. So on if let us suppose if some input output device operation fails, so it is going to take some action depending on that particular failure. So this all of these error detection techniques and problems are handled by operating systems. So the next part is operating system functions. The first point is resource allocation. So let's see what is it. In multiprocessing or multi-user systems, jobs are running concurrently, and resources as per their requirements are allocated to them without interrupting any of them, without the interruption or without interrupting the processes, or without making the user aware of what is going on inside the system. Operating system, with the help of scheduling and synchronizing techniques, makes this resource allocation possible. Okay, or makes the multiprocessing and supports the multi-user. Okay, so the next thing is that accounting. Okay, OS keeps track of everything like resource usage, which user is using how much resources, what type of resources are getting used more, etc., as it helps in reconfiguring the system to improve performance. So if I it is as accounting means it is giving some statistics. On the basis of the statistics, if anyone researches, if somebody wants to improve the performance of their system or reconfigure the system on the basis of those records, anyone can tweak their system to improve the performance. And this accounting feature function is something that helps any user or a researcher to do so. And the next point is protecting and security, or protection and security. So protection ensures that all the accesses to system resources is controlled. Okay, and the user authentication using the means of password and other devices like scanners or fingerprint scanners or retina scanners ensures the security of the system. This is how this is one of the feature of operating system. In my next video, I'll be talking about system calls and its types and virtual machines. Please like my videos and share among your friends so that they can benefit from it too. I will be posting my next video very soon. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.